Hello everyone! If you're planning a trip to London and wondering whether the London in a Day tour from Walks Devour Tours is worth it, then this video is for you. I'll show you our full day on the tour, all the major sites, a few stories from our guide, and what it's really like to see so much in just one day. And stick around until the end for my honest review and whether I'd recommend this for your London visit. After 2 days of exploring on our own, we decided to join a guided London in a Day walking tour. This was going to be a chance to cover a lot of ground while learning the stories behind the sites, and we wanted expert guidance in navigating the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace. The tour was 8 hours and began in Parliament Square. It would take us past many of London's most iconic landmarks, finishing at the Tower of London. We met our guide in Parliament Square, where the statues surrounding the square tell the story of Britain's political past. From there, we stepped into Westminster Abbey, a place steeped in royal history, from coronations to weddings and state funerals. Next, we walked to Buckingham Palace for the changing of the guard. Having a guide made all the difference here. We knew where to stand, what was happening, and why it mattered. From the palace, we continued up the mall, passing Clarence House and St. James Palace, with stories of past kings and queens filling in the details along the way. The morning portion of our tour wrapped up in Trafalgar Square, where we broke for lunch and a short rest before continuing. After lunch, we regrouped and walked down Whitehall, passing landmarks tied to Britain's government and military history, including the Mounted Guards and 10 Downing Street, where the Prime Minister lives. At Westminster Bridge, we boarded a Thames river cruise. After hours of walking, this was a relaxing way to see London from the water as we made our way toward the Tower of London. a totally different perspective of this beautiful city. We spent the final hour of the tour at the Tower of London, where our guide pointed out a few highlights before releasing the group to see the crown jewels on our own just before closing time. No footage of the crown jewels, of course, so you'll just have to take my word for it when I say they were breathtaking. The tour was a great way to wrap up our time in London, though I only wish we'd had more time at the Tower. An hour was definitely not long enough. By the time we left, it was getting dark, and the 4-mile walk back to our hotel felt completely different than the day before. London at night is something special. We stopped at another pub along the way to enjoy more British food before heading back to the hotel. So, what did we think of the London in a Day tour by Walks Devour Tours? Well, overall, it was fantastic. From the moment we booked weeks in advance, all the way through meeting our guide on the day of the tour, the communication was clear and the instructions were easy to follow. Our guide was incredibly knowledgeable and personable. You know, he even shared his credentials with us, including the pretty stringent test he had to pass to become a certified tour guide, which definitely gave us confidence. Throughout the day, he really brought the history to life, and we saw a lot along the way. If we had to pick one drawback, it would be the limited time at the Tower of London. We had only about an hour, and we walked away feeling a bit rushed and wishing we could have explored more. But still, overall, it was a truly great tour. If you want to see London's major highlights in a single day, especially before a cruise or during a short trip, I'd absolutely recommend it. And if you're curious how this tour fit into our full London itinerary, check out my London in 3 days video, and I'll link it here. Thanks so much for watching, Until next time, God bless and safe travels.